Welcome. In front of me is a MediaTek KT107, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the hotspot toggle, which I'm pretty sure it's disabled, so let's select on edit. And once you find it right here, grab it by holding it and drag it over to the top to get it to the toggle so you can actually access it. From there, let's go back and we should have it somewhere here. Now once you find that toggle, hold it for the first time and this will quickly take you to the settings. So in here you want to select tethering and portable hotspot and then portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Actually, there we go, below that we have the setup of it. And in here you can set it up by, as an example, changing things like your password. As you can see, the default one is just some randomly generated ones. So we can remove this one and set our own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length. That keyboard is insufferable. So yeah, once you set it up, let's select save. Now additionally you have a couple additional things, like for instance the network name, which will be the Wi-Fi name, and it looks like it's just Android AP, not much to it. Then below that we have AP type, and surprisingly we actually have 5 GHz as an option here. So if you want to broadcast a 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal, you are free to do so here. So you just simply click on it. Now I'll warn you that not every device will support it. Majority of the older devices probably will not, which is actually surprising that this device supports it. I would probably normally consider this one to be not the device that would support this kind of Wi-Fi. But anyway, you can quickly check if your device supports it or not by enabling the 5 GHz, and if the device that you're trying to connect to this hotspot with completely doesn't see any kind of Wi-Fi by this name, that means that it doesn't support it. And all you need to do is go back here and change it back to 2.4. Once you have set it all up, make sure you select save, and from here you can enable or disable it whenever you want. Now you don't need to come back to these settings ever again, so I'm just gonna leave it. So all you will need to do is turn it on and off from here. Now it's right now turned on, so click on it again to turn it off, and when I want to turn it on again, just click on it. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.